Hi, Vincent Scully from Cart Integrator, and in today's video we're going to look at system and maintenance. We're going to cover Kartra integration in a separate video. So our maintenance section provides us with some useful tools. Our backup and restore option allows us to back up our database. So these are all the tables within our database. We can select those and we can export those and save those pieces of information, that data, from our database down to our local computer. So if you're making any changes to your store, you may want to back up your database. We can restore our database from a file that we've downloaded and restore should we encounter a problem. Also, it's advisable that you have appropriate backups on your hosting solution also. Our next screen is uploads, and we can see what files have been uploaded through to our store, and we can manage those and delete those as required. Error logs are quite important because if there are any errors appearing in your store, this will be where you will see them. From a support perspective, they can be very, very helpful. And that pretty much covers our maintenance section in our Cart Integrator e-commerce store.